Hi guys, you're back with Jackie. This is Credit Connector. Remember, I also have my Spanish channel, which is called Conecto de Crédito. If you guys have any friends, your relatives, your neighbors that don't speak English, guys, send them over. If they just got to this country and they need to build their credit and they need help, I can give them the tools. I can explain to them the process. Also, I'm still going to be dropping my VIP school link, which right now you guys can register for free. That is a safe platform. We're going to build it up together. I'm also going to be dropping templates, credit templates, how to dispute your credit, and giving more personal data points. You guys can ask questions there. There's other people that can interact with you, or I can answer them there. Also, in the future, I'm going to be going live, and that way I can help you better in your credit journey. And I'm also going to be bringing experts into that credit space. Okay. Remember, this channel is only about you guys, nobody else. I'm here to help you. That way you guys can improve and you guys can, understand your credit and you guys can leverage it and you guys can get the best products out there. So let's get to it. Remember this channel is only for entertainment reasons only. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice. Anytime I tell you something, guys, go out there and do your homework. Check. Also, subscribe, give me a like. That's the only way I'm going to get to know you guys. Okay. So let's get to it. And what we're going to talk about is how to get loans with Federal Navy. Remember, Federal Navy Credit Union is the #1 in the nation. That's why I make multiple videos, because they're always asking me. They are customer friendly. They do want to build that relationship with you. Okay. They're all about relationship. It's very important to them. They're basically, I would tell you, between the banks and the credit unions, the ones that can approve you with the lowest credit score if you build the relationship with them. Okay. So I've seen people get approved for even $25,000 on a credit card with as low as 680 credit score. So it's basically when you build a relationship with them, you have your direct deposit. You've already been banking with them at least 3 to 4 months. You open a checking, a savings. It doesn't mean that you have to have thousands in there, but have some money, move it around. And the best thing with them is that, anything you're going to apply for, they have the pre-qualification tool. So you kind of can see where you're at. Also, remember, before you do anything with Navy Federal, you have to be a member. And I've already explained to you guys how to become a member. Either, you were in the military, you basically have a close relative, grandparents, parents, or children, or you have a roommate. You live with your roommate that is in Navy Federal. Okay, so let's get to it. So with Navy Federal, when you want to apply for a loan, what you're going to come is in here. Okay. And they have different loans. So you're going to come, I would say, let me see, personal loans. Let's go to personal loans. And let's see, let me put myself smaller here to the side. So secure your money. They have personal loans, they have home improvement loans. And the good thing with the home improvement loans, if you're a person like that lives in Florida, like I do, and you need to put shutters in your house, the impact windows, sorry, not shutters, but the impact windows, they give you a loan that is so long for you to pay back the terms, and the APR is so low that it is worth it. It's probably lower than any of the other companies that are out there that want to sell you impact windows. Okay, so let's get to it. Personal loans. So this is a personal expense loan. If you need a personal loan at Navy Federal, has an option to fit your unique needs. And let me see. And we may even be able to deposit the funds directly into your checking and savings account. That is true. That's what they're going to do. They're going to, put it in your checking, or you can ask them to mail it to you. Or if you want to pick it up, that's one way of doing it. Okay, as well. Let's see. So for their loans, they have simplified financial for unplanned and planned expense. So if something comes up, or if you have something planned, if you need to repair your car, if you're moving, relocating, vacation, and other purchases, from $250 to $50,000. So they're personal loans. The least you can get, the minimum is $250, and the most that you can get is $50,000. And what are their terms? 36 months, which is 3 years. They also have this one, which is a little bit extended, 37 to 60 months. And their APRs are pretty reasonable, 8.99 to 18 also 15.29 to 18. Okay, so very reasonable. I mean, this is very reasonable. And like I said, once you're in the ecosystem, try to get these products and, pay them off. That's how you build also a relationship with them to get higher products with them. Home loans. Okay, this is what I was talking to you about. So get quick cash to finance your home improvement or repair project. So like I said, impact windows or anything you need to do. If you want a new pool or anything like that, don't go through the pool, finance. Use Navy Federal. Okay, so great for home repairs, remodeling, efficiency upgrades. That means impact windows, you know, uh, the air conditions or a new roof. No collateral needed, so you don't have to put your house as a collateral. Minimum $25,000, and it goes up to $30,000. 61 to 180 months. Imagine if you get 180 months, your payment is going to be very minimum, guys. You got to work the system. Let's go to the next one. So if you're in debt and you need to consolidate your debt, now this is a tricky one because if you're in debt and they see that you're all over the place, you have to be careful before you apply. I would tell you first to talk to a banker and see what they can do, okay? Because sometimes if your utilization is too high, your score is very low because it's been hurt, you might not get approved. But if you have several credit cards or other loans and you just want to bring them together, this might be a great way to do it. So it's affordable monthly payments up to 36 months from $250 also to $50,000. And it does have the same as before as the personal loan, 8.99 to 18%, 37 months to 60 months, 15.29 to 18 months to 18%. Savings secure loans, fully secured by your Navy Federal savings account. Let me see. Saving secure loans. So secure financing without dipping into your savings and at a lower rate. So fully savings continue to earn dividends and become available to you as the loan is paid off. Okay, so basically what they're talking about, that is what people talk about, the pledge loan, guys, the pledge loan. So what it is, if you have $10,000, you take it to Navy Federal, you get a secure loan, which is the pledge loan. And a lot of people, what they do, because they just want to build a trade line, they'll go back after like 30 something days once it reports and they pay 90% back. And then you still have the 180, months to pay it, but the payment is nothing. You probably don't even owe anything. But what it does, it creates a trade line for that amount of years saying that you already paid 90% of your loan. And guess what? Then your money graduates and you get it back. That's the pledge loan hack, guys. Let's go to the next one. Also, shared rate and share rate. So your money gets interest. So this one is the certificate secure loan. They have a bunch of loans. Borrow 100% of your certificate principal balance for the APRs and the term. So from 2% APR above the certificate rate, loan amount cannot exceed the certificate balance. Loan term must be equal or less to the certificate amount. Guys, they have a whole bunch of products, okay? Let's go to the next one. Kick off your military career with confidence. So, launching your military career, we have your back. Yeah, they do, because you know what? They help you. Look, it says pay for uniform, consolidate debt, set up your household, cover other expenses. They have a whole bunch of products. There are pro people, pro military, pro people military. So this is a great credit union. Like I said, it's the #1 in the nation, and it's the one that you want to get into. If you're going to get into a credit union, get into the best. Remember, they do pull from TransUnion. They also have an internal score, which they don't tell you. And it's anywhere from, I believe, from 100 to 450. You want to be always above 250. And you can call them and ask them, hey, what's my internal score? Okay. Make sure that they see that, like I said, you have your direct deposit, you are putting money in, and you always pay their products on time, plus everything else you have on your credit report but that's the way you build the relationships with them. And like I said, I've seen people getting products with a credit score as low as 680. Okay, guys, Jackie, Credit Connector, Conecto de Crédito, connect with me. Sign up for my school link right now. It's for free. We're going to build it up. Give me a comment. I want to get to know you guys and I want to help you. I might not speak perfect. I might not speak perfect in Spanish, but I get the message through. And whatever you guys don't understand, you guys can DM me. Okay? Thanks, and until next time.